Let's Talk Crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is December 29th, 2021, and Bitcoin is looking like it is reversing course finally. Okay, we're on the 4-hourly time frame, and what I've been saying is I strongly believe that this uptrend that we were in was an A wave. What we've been in for, I don't know, the past 2 days has been the impulsive portion of a B wave. And so after this pivot, we just got a trend exhaustion of this impulse, right? With this big wick. After this pivot, we will go into our C wave. And there I expect for Bitcoin, and now let's zoom out a bit on the daily. I do anticipate for Bitcoin to retrace to the 58K region, okay? So most retracements in two waves that crack the 382, and this is the 382 level if you pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool. Most retracements that breach the 382 do find their ways to the 0.5 to the 618, and that's this region here, and it's confluent with this sort of price action, this activity, this bed of resistance, and that would be between about 55 and 58K. We know 58K is the top because that is the maximum retracement of a two wave. That's the 618 retracement. So that's basically what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. I'm still seeing that target of 55 to 58K, most likely 58K. And what we've had so far is simply just an A wave, right? This B wave consolidation. And then this, we didn't foresee, was a rather large pivot, A, B, C pivot. Okay, we know that price needs to print those flat corrections in order to pivot to change direction, especially after large trends, right? So you have a large downtrend and you're going into an uptrend that's breaking that downtrend. You need some time to consolidate. And so this was basically the pattern that formed. Did not foresee this pivot, thought this was going to be on a smaller scale, but alas, we have this. So A wave, B wave, C wave. That's what I'm anticipating. This is why I'm long Bitcoin in the immediate short term. After we've reached this point, I do anticipate a continuation of this downtrend, a very, very intense downtrend, right? Because if this was wave one, this will be wave three. And we all know that wave three is usually the longest and most usually the most intense and the most impulsive of the Elliott waves. So that's what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. Okay, and kind of a point on minutia, what I said last night in the live stream. If for those of you who missed it, I said that Bitcoin was likely to retrace to this level because if this indeed is an A wave and this is a B wave, we were in this area here, which looked keen for reversal. However, I didn't like the fact that this pulling the Fibonacci retracement of this A wave and B wave, you can see that that region was kind of in no man's land between the 0.5 and the 7.8, or sorry, the 618 and the 786, okay? And it had retraced far too much within beyond the 618. And we know that zigzag corrections, B waves retrace between, let's zoom in a bit, the 0.5 to the 618, okay? So the B wave retracement has to occur there. We know that in flat corrections, B wave retracements retrace between the 786 and the 1618 in this region, okay? So we are in the middle. So we needed to come here somewhere. And so I feel more confident in this assessment that this is an A wave and this is a B wave. because now we've just wicked into the 786 region, making this a viable flat correction. And so this flat correction naturally yields a C wave, right, that we should experience to the upside. This is why I'm long Bitcoin in the immediate short term, okay? And this is how I see it happening. So balance of probability, we print this C wave, we print this reversal for most of today, and then we start upwards price action finally in the C wave, and that will lift tides in the rest of the market. But beware, this is not going to be a long running sort of impulse to the upside, because the cap should be the 0.618, right, of this downtrend. So just to reiterate this very important point, should be very careful not to disrespect this downtrend here. So pulling the Fibonacci retracements in Bitcoin, this downtrend, the 618 is the high. So that's at 58.6. So I anticipate price action once again to come between the 0.5 and the 618 right here before reversing course. And so that's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was useful. Like the video if you haven't, if you've gotten value from it. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. Share it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.